22 easy ways to eat more protein. Power up with protein. For years now, we've been told to increase our protein intake, but that doesn't have to mean loading up on protein bars and shakes or eating steak or chicken for every meal. A few quick and easy food swaps, along with some additions to your everyday snacks and meals, is all it takes. Qualified nutrition coach and personal trainer Devender Baines explains how you can boost your protein intake with very little effort. Why protein is important. Proteins are made of amino acids, which are known as the building blocks of life and are essential for the growth and repair of muscle, bone, cartilage, tissue, and hormones. Protein also helps to carry oxygen around the body and aids with digestion. Most adults should be consuming 1.2 to 2 ounces of protein a day, depending on body weight and activity level. So whether you're recovering from an injury, upping your exercise regime, or just want to look and feel healthier, a substantial intake of protein is essential. Number 1. Switch to Greek yogurt. If you're eating yogurt already, simply swap to the Greek or Greek-style variety to instantly up your protein game. A 7 ounces to 100 grams serving of Greek yogurt contains 0.5 to 0.7 ounces of protein, which is roughly double that in natural yogurt. You could incorporate Greek yogurt into your breakfast, spooning it on your cereal, eating it with a bowl of fruit, or adding it to a smoothie. A dollop on your soup will also add velvety texture, in addition to the protein boost. Number 2. Swap rice for quinoa. This superfood is not just packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's also a complete protein, which means it contains all the 9 essential amino acids we need, relatively rare in non-meat foods. With 7 times more protein than white or brown rice, quinoa is an easy swap to serve with curries, stews, and stir-fries, and also makes an excellent base for salads. Number 3. Swap potato chips for almonds. Almonds are tasty, high in fiber, full of vitamins, and brilliantly portable, meaning they're a protein-boosting snack you can enjoy anytime, anywhere, and an easy swap for potato chips. A serving of around 20 almonds contains approximately 0.2 ounces of protein, so they're a quick and easy way to add more protein to your diet. If you don't fancy eating almonds whole, then sprinkle chopped almonds on salads, pastas, or yogurts for added taste and crunch. Number 4. Use peanut butter as a dip. This will be music to the ears of all peanut butter lovers. This delicious spread is super rich in protein, with around 0.15 ounces in every tablespoon, so pile it high on bagels and toast. Mix it into smoothies. Stir it into porridge and acai bowls, or use it as a dip for fruit and crudites. The creamy texture and nutty flavor makes peanut butter a really flexible addition to breakfasts and snacks. Number 5. Swap chicken for turkey. While most people know that chicken is one of the highest and healthiest sources of protein, not many know that turkey has practically the same amount of protein, but around half the amount of fat. From a roast turkey dinner to sandwiches, or as a healthier alternative to ground beef in homemade burgers or spaghetti bolognese, there are plenty of ways to add turkey to your diet all year round. Number 6. Spread hummus instead of butter. Hummus makes a wonderful protein-rich alternative to butter in almost any situation. Use as a spread on toast and sandwiches. Add to veggie or meat wraps to add taste and texture. Spoon onto salads instead of fatty dressings, or use as a dip with crudites or its classic partner, pita bread. Number 7. Supercharge your salad dressing. Boost your salad dressing with protein-rich ingredients for an easy way to up your intake. Cashews, for example, can be blended with water, lemon juice, and herbs. Tahini can be drizzled on as it is, or blended with a little olive oil and lemon juice for a simple yet delicious protein-laden dressing. Number 8. Use your omelet as a wrap. Eggs can be an easy way to get the protein you need, however you like them. For something different, make a plain or herby omelet and use it like a tortilla wrap, packing in whatever sandwich fillings you fancy. With each egg providing around 0.2 ounces of protein, it makes sense to add them to salads, pizzas, quiches, savory muffins, and any number variety of cakes and treats for an added protein boost. Number 9. Add pistachios to your breakfast. This Moorish little nut is a protein powerhouse. With 0.2 ounces per handful, pistachios are a good pantry staple snack to have at home or carry with you for those random hunger pangs on the go. As well as making a delicious snack on their own, they're perfect for topping ice cream, breakfast bowls, yogurt, salads, curries, and porridge, adding extra taste, texture, and protein. Number 10. Add tofu to your veggie stir-fry. Tofu is something of a protein powerhouse and more versatile than you might think. Cube, slice, or strip from tofu and throw into stir-fries, curries, and sandwiches, or mash and fry up with vegetables as an alternative to scrambled eggs. For something a little different, mix silken or dessert tofu into your fruit smoothie for an instant protein hit. Number 11. Season with nutritional yeast. This is one of the easiest ways to get a protein boost. Simply buy a box of nutritional yeast sold in most supermarkets and sprinkle the flakes, granules, or powder straight onto your pasta, casserole, stew, or salad. Adding a delicious cheesy flavor and approximately 0.3 ounces of protein for every 2 TBSP nutritional yeast is also packed with vitamins and minerals and an excellent source of fiber. Number 12. Add protein powder to smoothies. There's more to protein powders than just making a shake and drinking it after a workout, although that is one of the easiest ways to add protein to your diet. You can also add to fruit smoothies, use instead of flour for pancakes, mix into yogurt, and add to cakes. Number 13. Add an edamame starter to your meal. This superfood should be an essential part of everyone's diet, as it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, as well as delivering a good whack of protein. Sold as whole or shelled beans, edamame can be eaten as a snack or starter, or added to stir-fries, stews, or rice dishes. Prepare at home by boiling or steaming until tender, then sprinkle with a bit of sea salt or spices. Number 14. Make canned tuna your go-to fish. Versatile and affordable, canned tuna is delicious in jacket potatoes, pasta dishes, salads, and sandwiches. With a whopping 25% protein content, tuna is one of the most protein-dense of all fish. It's also low in fat, making it a hero staple for everyday meals. Number 15. Add chickpeas to any curry. There's far more to chickpeas than just hummus. They're a cheap, easy to store, canned food with a protein content of nearly 20% by weight. They're also a rich source of iron, folate, and magnesium. Add to curries, stew, or pasta sauces, or use cold when making salads for a tasty protein boost. Number 16. Add spinach to everything. Spinach can be easily added to most dishes to get that extra hit of protein. It's also an excellent source of iron, potassium, and vitamins C and K because cooked spinach wilts down. You can use large quantities when adding to omelets, curries, stews, and pasta sauces. It also makes an ideal salad base, or blend a handful of raw leaves into your fruit smoothie. Number 17. Add cottage cheese to your breakfast bagel. Spread cottage cheese on your bagel for a tasty breakfast, or stir it into pasta sauces for extra creaminess. Cottage cheese is dense in protein and its mild flavor makes it an easy add-on when it comes to scrambled eggs, breakfast bowls, pancake toppings, overnight oats, sandwiches, and salads. Or you can simply season to taste and use as a dip. Number 18. Batch cook lentil soups. Lentils are one of the healthiest ways of getting your protein fix, as they're also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The superfood is also kind on the wallet and easily available in supermarkets. Use lentils in batch-cooked soups, curries, or stews, or cook and use cold in salads, grain bowls, or vegetable side dishes. If you're not a huge fan, just blend some lentils into sauces, boosting both the texture by adding thickness and the protein content. Number 19. W shrimp portion. Shrimp are a great, tasty option for a protein boost, with around 20% of protein by weight. They're also virtually fat-free, so doubling up your portion is a no-brainer. Whether you buy yours fresh or frozen, they'll be just perfect barbecued or grilled or thrown into pasta sauces, paella, wraps, and salads. Number 20. Blitz peas into soups and sauces. They might be tiny in size, but peas pack a mighty punch when it comes to their protein content. At 0.3 ounces per cooked cup, peas contain more protein than nearly all other vegetables, hence their use in producing vegan protein powders. They're also incredibly versatile and can be added to pastas, stews, rice, soups, omelets, curries, and noodle dishes. Not a pea lover? Number 21. Add black beans to every dish. Black beans are packed with protein and are also a great source of fiber and carbohydrates. Batch cook them from dried, freezing boxes for later use, or buy tinned black beans for an even easier option. They add a delicious, nutty flavor and satisfying texture to taco and burrito fillings, soups, stews, curries, and salads. Number 22. Just add milk. One of the simplest ways of getting your protein is in a glass of milk, with the average glass of whole milk packed with 0.3 ounces of the stuffed soya milk contains just a little less. Have a glass for breakfast or before bed. Start adding more milk in your tea or coffee, or use milk instead of water in your protein shake for a power punch. Number 23. Make overnight chia seed puddings. They might be among the tiniest foods around, but chia seeds are packed with fiber, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids needed for brain function, and yes, protein. The best way to maximize their protein content is by making overnight chia seed puddings, adding milk dairy or non-dairy, and popping in the fridge. You can also sprinkle chia seeds on porridge, yogurt, or salads.